Thank you for being a valued CAM member. One of the best perks of your membership is the ability to get listed in the Construction Buyer's Guide. Let's take a look at how you can take full advantage of this opportunity. Every year, 3,000 copies of our printed guide are distributed throughout Michigan. The mobile app is free to download, and the web search is simple to use. This important resource is available to users and purchasers of construction services, providing a significant benefit to our members. Don't miss this once-a-year chance to take advantage of this valuable advertising opportunity. Your Construction Buyer's Guide advertising packet was sent to you via U.S. mail in late June. If you need another copy, please contact our office. As you begin reviewing your contract for next year's guide, here are a few important things to consider. First, check your membership information. This information is included in the Buyer's Guide free of charge. Please review and confirm that your company name, mailing address, and phone numbers are correct. If there are any changes to be made, simply cross out the incorrect information and write in the correct details. You can add up to 10 branch addresses for no additional fee. Next, consider adding your website and email. For just $48, your information will be included in the print version and hyperlinked in the mobile and web versions of the guide. Classified listings and extra information enhance the powerful search function on our website and mobile app. You can link your company to as many classified headings as you wish. The first classified heading costs $40, and each additional heading is $30. We have thousands of classified headings to choose from. If you're not sure which ones apply to your company, contact your membership representative for help, or visit cambuyersguide.com and click Categories. Extra information can include special details about your company, manufacturers' names, and any other relevant information, and will improve your visibility in our search results. The cost for extra information is $30 for every 45 characters, including spaces. Do you have a minority, veteran, or woman-owned business? For just $30 per classified heading, we can include you in a separate section for certified businesses. Additionally, if you have a lead AP or green associate employed at your company, you can add their contact information for $20, or list your whole company as lead for $30. Lastly, your packet will include information about purchasing a display ad. Display ads will be included in the printed buyer's guide as well as on the website. Once you have selected all of your advertising options, complete the listing order form. Be sure to check changes or no changes at the top, sign the bottom, and return the form via email to buyersguide@buildwithcam.com by the deadline listed on your contract. We will invoice you in January, or you can save 5% by including a credit card number. We are here to help guide you through the contract process. If you have any questions or need assistance with selecting the right classified heading or extra information, please contact our office and press 1 to speak to a membership representative. Thank you for being a CAM member. We look forward to seeing your listing in the Construction Buyer's Guide.